Hi there. For the last decade, graphics has become an elementary component when creating video games, and achieving AAA graphics quality has become a fundamentally essential factor in modern gaming.
In this course, you will learn everything that there is to know about image effects. Then you will use this knowledge to create advanced effects like the famous Sensity effect, night vision, underwater, and others. All of this will be followed with tips and tricks on where, how, and when to use these effects. You will also learn how to work with the different types of volumes, how to debug and deal with several complicated filters like auto exposure, depth of field, ambient occlusion, and so many others. By the end, you will have the tools needed to create awesome video games and even create great cinematics and showcases for your projects.
My name is Omar Hidusi, and for the last 6 years, I've been a video game developer and a 3D artist. I'm currently pursuing a bachelor degree in cinema and filmmaking. Join me in this course and learn how to add AAA visuals to your games.